Hello and welcome to today's presentation. My name is Andy and I'll be guiding you through the material today. We are going to look at how to convert a web page into a PDF with a one-button convert. Now this has been available in Internet Explorer, but it has never been available in Firefox before, so we're very excited about this. The button is going to appear right here in your web browser, and you can see it just says convert, has a little PDF icon next to it. But let's go ahead and look at the preferences first. If you click the down arrow next to the convert button, you'll see a couple of options here. We are most interested in the preferences, so let's go ahead and select that. And you can see that there are some conversion settings here. It offers us to select the file type. We can select either HTML or text, depending on the content of the page. We can ask it to create bookmarks and PDF tags and put the headers and footers on a new page. But I want to show you the settings for the actual HTML itself. So let's go ahead and click Settings there. And we'll take a look at the input encoding here. And you can see the default encoding is set to Roman. And we want to leave that alone unless the page doesn't specify, because normally the website developer will place some information about that in the page, so we'll leave that up to them. We can also see some language-specific fonts, and for settings for the text, the background, and the links, that's in case we want to set it up for our own purposes, so we don't have to look at their styles. We can sort of set up our own styles. And you can see under other settings here, the multimedia content. There is multimedia content on this page, so what we want to look at is our options there. We can either turn off the multimedia capture so we don't select any of it, or we can select have it embed when it's possible. Now if it's not possible, it is not going to embed, which is bad. So we want it to reference the content by URL. This will cause a security warning in Acrobat, but it will let us select the, it will allow us to put the content in there. Let's go ahead and click OK here. We can also see in the page layout we have some information about the page size, whether it's oriented portrait or landscape, and all that should be pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to go ahead and click OK here. And let's try the one-button convert. I will click the convert button. It'll ask me where to save this, and I will save it just right here. And we'll click Save. And after a moment, it will open up, and you can see the videos here, and we can play the video if we want. And it's all here. Normally it would give you a security warning, but I've already had this loaded up, so it will avoid that. Now let's take a look at Internet Explorer. And everything here is basically the same except for one particular option, and that is the Select button here. And this allows you to select particular sections of the web page for conversion. So if I click, say, this logo here, you can see it sort of outlines in blue or highlights in blue. And I can click this box, and that highlights in blue, and maybe this box as well. And if I click Now Convert, you can see it'll ask me to save it real quick. And after a moment, it will convert. And now this page is converted, and you can see that it has just selected the portions that we wanted active. So that is all for converting a web page to a PDF with one button convert through both Firefox and Internet Explorer. I hope this has been helpful, and thank you for watching.